friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off location services on WhatsApp on your Windows PC. So guys, all you have to do is just simply right click anywhere on your desktop and go to your display settings or personalization. Doesn't matter which one you choose, because once you're inside the settings of your computer, you can easily find applications on the left side. You can click in that. Another way how you can find that is simply click the Windows key on your keyboard and simple type in installed, and you'll find install apps. If you click on that, it will take you right into those install apps and you can easily see your apps from here. Now you might be wondering why my apps look like this, and this is because of my view. So a bonus tip for you: if you want to change how your applications are shown, you have the, let's say, the list view, and you also have the grid view, and you also have the tile view, which you realize that I was using. So you can always change how your applications are shown, right? So you can choose whichever one. So once you find the WhatsApp, guys, you can simply click the three dots here, click the advanced options there, and here you will find the location. So you can always go ahead and disable it from here and turn off the location. Now, if you don't, another way how you can easily turn off the location directly from application or even entirely on your computer is by simply going to your privacy and security. So if you go to privacy and security and then you go and you scroll down under the app permissions, you will find location. And from here, you will find all the applications on your computer that, let's say, using your location. WhatsApp is here as well. You can simply turn that off directly. It will also turn it off in the option that I showed you before. And if you want to go ahead and turn off location services altogether on all application, you can simply disable location services from here. And if you go back as well to the apps and go back into install apps and find that WhatsApp, you will see as well that the location services is also disabled entirely as well. You don't even have the option to turn it on because you disable location services on your computer altogether. And that's how you can do it, guys. Very easy and very simple.